it is 10th of June 2025. It is the 4th day of Eid al-Adha. We won't go directly to the textbook and we will go to that particular topic. So I have thought, because when we talk about English, it is basically a language. So our topic is developing communication skills and vocabulary, but related to a festival, particularly when we talk about Eid al-Adha. So I have written some words here which are directly related to this very festival, and I hope that you will be able to make a few sentences of your own, and you will come over here, this very place where I am right now standing, and you will tell me about your celebration, about your friends, about your favorite dishes, about the prayer, the special prayer. It's called Eid Namaz. That prayer we offer on Eids in the open ground. It's called Eid. You can talk about your relatives. You can talk about Eid, how much you got on this very Eid. So are you ready? Ready for that?
Yes, sir.
It's 10th June 2025 and I'm Adha from class 7. It's 4th day of Eid al-Adha and we celebrate Eid with joy and enjoyment.
Sadia, tell me about your favorite dish, particularly on this very Eid, which your mom cooked for you people.
I don't have a particular dish.
Okay, tell me about your favorite dress, like anything like that.
So I like pendant top.
How beautiful was market in your area?
So not good.
Okay, last question. What about the sweets you bought from sweets and all that?
So we bought our sweets from Mother.
Okay, thank you very much.
Good morning everyone. Today is the 10th of June and it is the 4th day of Eid al-Adha. And I celebrated Eid al-Adha with joy. I bought new clothes from Pulwama and my mother cooked new dishes like rista, kebab, etc.
Azia, tell me one thing. What about the clothes? You talked about that you bought new clothes. Did you buy any particular dress? Like, I might not be knowing every name of the girls wear.
Yes sir, I bought Pakistani dress.
And what about the sweets? Where from you bought sweets?
Sir, my mother bought sweets from Pulwama. Sir, chicken is a favorite dish.
Okay, chicken is your favorite dish. Very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you sir.
And Harun, tell me about the dishes, particularly your mom made for this very big day, Eid al-Adha.
Like chicken, goshtab, kebab.
Kebab, very good. Okay, very good. What about your friends? Did you just enjoy with your friends? You went to some place like a local park or something?
Sir, me and my friends went to Pulwama Park.
Okay, you got Eid. What was the total amount of your Eid? In hundreds or in thousands?
Thousands.
Okay, very good. Now last question, Harun, to you. What about firecrackers? Because most of the, particularly when we talk about the children, they are even teenagers, they are fond of burning firecrackers. What do you think about that?
Sir, I think that crackers is not good for you because our religion tells that crackers are not good.
That means we should not encourage burning these firecrackers and all that. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum to everyone. Today is 10th June 2025. It is the 4th day of Eid al-Adha.
Taiba, yes, we know that is the 4th day of Eid al-Adha. Tell us about something, how you celebrated Eid al-Adha. Taiba, what is your favorite dish, particularly on this very Eid?
My favorite dish is rista.
Now tell me about the sweets and all that you bought from market. Do you like any particular sweet?
Gulab jamun.
Okay, thank you very much.